All right, order of operation. So we've got 5. This is how I want you to do it. 5 plus 3 times 4 plus 20 divided by 5. So we know, we've probably heard of PEMDAS. That tells us the order in which we should do operations. Now there's P stands for parentheses, no parentheses. E stands for exponents, no exponents. Then we have multiplication and division. This doesn't mean multiplication comes before division. They're actually on the same level. They're equivalent. You just do whichever comes first, left to right. Same with addition and subtraction. So I see a multiplication here. That's going to be my first thing. This is going to be my second step. And then going back from left to right, we got 2 additions, but we do this addition before that one. And these are the orders. So now you watch. So first we do 3 times 4, which is 12. 5 plus, and then plus 20 divided by 5. Then since this is our second step, we do this guy next. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Now we have 5 plus 12 plus 4. And now this is our third step between here, this plus. Now it's turned into 12, but that's okay. 5 plus 12 is 17. And then we do this last plus here. 17 plus 4 is 21.